All right, guys. So the next module is crafting a content strategy. We're going to talk about how to come up with video ideas and also how to go viral, right? So let's get into how to go viral. This is another gem. I suggest you write this down. This is what people don't tell you on YouTube or wherever. This is a gem. Here we go. How to go viral. The way to go viral is to find somebody else that went viral and copy what they did and put your own spin on it. I'm going to say that again. How to go viral. Look at somebody else that's currently going viral and take what they did and put your own spin on it, but also keep it kind of similar, but do what they did. They have a formula that worked. You copy that formula, you do the same thing, okay? So how do we find a viral video? I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's go to YouTube. I told you the video we're gonna create is in the dating advice space. So I'm gonna go to YouTube and I'm gonna type in dating advice. Now, before you hit enter, the YouTube search bar is actually a great place to find video ideas, because all of this list here is actually what people are searching. This is what people are searching in YouTube, right? So the two ones that have clocks near them, that's what I searched. So don't look at those. But the ones that have the search icon next to them, they are actually what people are searching for on YouTube. And it's actually ranked in order by the top one being the most and the bottom being the least, okay? So as you can see, dating advice for men, dating advice for women, dating advice for men who love women, dating advice Jordan Peterson, dating advice ASMR. So these are all ideas that you could do. So I would suggest writing down some of these ideas. You may not use them now, but they may be useful for a video in the future down the line, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and hit enter because we're trying to find a viral video, okay? So the way to find a viral video is simply type in your niche. You wanna go up to filters, okay? Now what you wanna do is filter videos for this month. But this will only show videos that have been posted in this month. Now what you wanna do is you wanna go to duration. You wanna pick between 4 to 20 minutes because you don't want it to show you any YouTube shorts, right? You want it to only focus on YouTube video. Now, you want to go and sort by view count, okay? So this is showing you all the videos that were posted in this month by highest view count according to your niche. Now, here's the trick. You want to go and look through these videos for video ideas. However, pay attention to the way to find out if a video is viral or if that person just has a bunch of subscribers and all their subscribers watched it, is to look at the subscriber count and the view count. If the view count is higher than their subscriber count, that means YouTube is actually pushing this video out in the algorithm to show to more people, which means that this topic is going viral, okay? So let's look through and let's see if we find some examples of it. So this first video, why men get so few matches on dating apps. It has 2.4 million views and only has 7.1 subscribers. This video is going viral as we speak. So this actually might be my topic. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna write it down and keep it on the side. But this one might be it. It's so funny. I'm doing all this live, guys. I didn't do this in advance because I wanted to do this all on camera. So that was a great one. This one, not so good. Go ask a girl out. This one isn't so good because this person has 3.2 million subscribers and they have 800,000 views. So all of these views could have came just from their subscribers, which means it wouldn't help us out because her subscribers watched it. They're already subscribed to her channel. We don't have anyone subscribed to our channel, so this wouldn't help us. Okay, so let's keep going down. Let's keep going down. Same thing. A lot of these channels, have huge subscribers. This one might be one. This one actually might be one, which, excuse the thumbnail, that's a little, I don't know why they picked that thumbnail, but 6 masculine habits that women find irresistible and attractive. Okay? 227,000 views, but only 57,000 subscribers. So this channel is actually, this video is actually going viral. It's only been out for 13 days. YouTube's algorithm is actually pushing this video out to more people than the channel actually has subscribed. Okay, so we found 2 just right there. All right, so let's keep going. I'm gonna do one more just so you get the point, and then I'm actually pick the one I'm gonna do. So let's see. That was one right there. Okay, we'll do this one too. This one, how to turn your situationship into a relationship, dating advice. Now, this one, I don't know. This one actually might not be that good because although this one has low subscriber count and 120K views, this is actually really good. It is going viral. However, the guy that sent it, you can see dating advice with Paul C. Brunson. I'm not sure who he is. Obviously, he's from the UK, but his influence might actually be pushing this video out, depending on if he has a large following. So you can still do this. You could still do a video about Paul C. Brunson's dating advice on how to turn your situationship into a relationship. However, you probably should do like a review of it, or write a script about your thoughts about it, or like not take his actual video and just use his video, but because it's actually a person in here, maybe we do a review, maybe we give our thoughts about it, maybe we bring up key points that he might have missed, but we use that because his influence might actually be driving this video. All right, guys. So that is how to actually find viral videos in your niche that are currently going viral as we speak. But like I said, you want to take those video titles, you want to take that video content, those video ideas, put your spin on it, and then make your own video, right? Because we know that this video is being pushed out. This is a hot topic. This topic is hot right now. So we make our own, because you got to think about it. People don't know how to make viral video, right? Nobody knows why their video went viral. They just do it, and you just make a video and it just happens to go viral. But if you do exactly what they did, you copy exactly what they did, your video will go viral too. Okay? So that is how to go viral. That was a gem. Guys, I'm giving you guys gems in this course. And all this content is affordable. I'm not charging you an arm and a leg. This is affordable content that I'm giving back to the people. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're going to get down to the next section. Guys, so if you got any value from this video, I would suggest you consider my YouTube automation course. Now, it's very affordable. It's not one of those $1,000 courses where we try to upsell you. This is just a one-on-one course that I made specifically affordable because I just got tired of people scamming, people who are just looking for knowledge. So in this video, we keep everything official and transparent. We don't try to hold anything. We're giving you guys all the gems and all the tools that you need. And we're letting you know the tips and tricks that, and stumbles that and pitfalls that I had actually building my 2 Faceless YouTube channels. So we're going to go over the AI tools needed. We're going to actually build a Faceless video from scratch. We're going to do it from scratch live. And also, guys, if you don't want to go the AI tools route, maybe you want to be totally hands off, you want to just pay somebody to do it for you. We're actually going to go over how to build a team, where to get your team, and actually what to look forward to when doing it that route too. So we cover both ways, whether it's the AI tools, using AI to make the videos, or whether you're going to pay a team to make the videos. We cover all of that. We also cover how to build a YouTube brand. A lot of people forget this. They think that you just make the video and post it. No, you actually have to make a brand with logos, with channel art, and optimize your channel for your target demographic. We go over that as well. If you got any value from this, I would consider purchasing my course where we dive right into it.